doesn't have anything to do with humanity. God is not about humanity. He's about Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, his chosen people. So you think he's about humanity, then you deceive. Verse 8, and Israel beheld Joseph's sons and said, who are these? And so this is his first time laying eyes on Joseph's son, Menashsheh and Ephraim. And remember, he's changing the order. He's going to make the blessing go to Ephraim rather than Menashsheh. He's going to give the birthright to Ephraim rather than Menashsheh, even though Menashsheh is the oldest. But he's asking Joseph, whose sons are these? Whose are these? Verse 9, and Joseph said unto his father, they are my sons, whom God hath given me in this place. And he said, bring them, I pray thee, unto me, and I will bless them. And so Joseph explained to Jacob, his father, who is Israel, he said, these are my two sons. God, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and now you, Father. He has given me these sons in this, while I'm here in this land called Egypt. And then Jacob said, bring them, I pray thee, unto me, I will bless them. Jacob, he wanted to lay hands on them and bless them as being part of the 12 tribes of Israel. Jacob is claiming them as his inheritance in place of Simeon, Reuben, and Simeon. Verse 10, now the eyes of Israel were dim for age, so that he could not see, and he brought them near unto him, and he kissed them and embraced them. So as time goes on, the body wears down. Jacob, his eyes was growing dim. He couldn't see as he used to. And so the scripture points that out. And then he said, Joseph brought the two sons unto him so he could kiss them, and he embraced them. Verse 11, and Israel said unto Joseph, I had not thought to see thy face, and lo, God has showed me also thy seed. So Israel, who is Jacob, Jacob, who is Israel, one and the same, said unto Joseph, when you was lost, when they came and told me that you were dead, you had been killed by a wild beast,